So what are the published data? There'll be many scientific things we'll be discussing, but let's just begin with this one. This was a meta-analysis published from England, and what they looked at is 8,300 people that died amongst 76,000 men and women in 5 different studies about the diet. And they picked the data out and they did a meta-analysis. Now again, meta-analysis is not as good as a prospective randomized studies, but it's the next best thing. And they found out that they across the board, adjusting for everything else, the vegetarian had 24% less mortality from heart disease compared to non-vegetarians. So this is one evidence that if you eat plant-based food, you are less likely to get heart disease. The Oxford study was actually a prospective study. So they looked at 6,000 vegetarians and 5,000 non-vegetarian control subjects between 1980 to 1984 and looked at all-cause mortality. And they found out that the vegetarian had a lower ratio for death, heart disease, and cancer. So we have a retrospective analysis through meta-analysis. We have a prospective study, and they're pretty large studies to convince you that yes, vegetarians have less chance of dying for heart disease, cancer, and death. Even if you dispute the data, at least you know that's not telling you that the vegetarians have lower life expectancy, have more heart disease, have more cancer. No, it's the contrary.